Here's how to fix the "This device isn't recognized by Google" error in just a few easy steps. This error appears when Google detects a login attempt from a new device, location, or browser that it can't verify. It's a security feature to protect your account from unauthorized access. If possible, start the recovery from a device you've signed in with before, like your old phone, laptop, or tablet. On that trusted device, log into your Google account, then approve security alerts so Google can verify your identity. Once logged in on a trusted device, go to myaccount.google.com/security. Check that your recovery phone and email are up to date. If they're outdated, replace them. This helps Google recognize future login attempts faster. Now go back to your new device and try signing in again. When Google asks for verification, choose "Yes, it's me," or enter the verification code sent to your recovery email or phone. If the error still appears, try using a different browser, updating your device software, connecting to your usual Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, turning off VPN or proxy. These can prevent Google from recognizing your login. If nothing works, go to g.co/recover. Answer the questions as accurately as possible. If something doesn't work, tap "Try another way" until Google finds a method to verify you. And that's it. Following these steps should fix the "Device isn't recognized" error and let you sign in safely.